Hi guys, it's me Vaughan, also known as Silly Vaughan Vlog, and today in this video I've just got back from swimming and I've received a fidget spinner and I'm going to do an unboxing today. So if you don't know what a fidget spinner is if you have ADHD or just need something to fiddle with because you're bored. You just get one and you spin it around. I'll show you when I unbox it, but let's open this. Yeah, I got red because it's one of my favourite colours. There weren't any black. So this is it right here. I'm going to pop it out. Okay, here it is. And what I was saying about is you spin it. I'm not sure I can do any tricks. Wait a second, I'm going to have a go at this. Oh, I can do it. Well, anyway, if I was at the end of the video, I'm probably going to say out of 5 what rating this is. So I'm just going to play with it and tell you if it's good. Well, to start this off, I think this is actually really good because it's plastic and it's got like a metal ball bearing, and that means like it makes a noise. Like, if you hear that, this looks amazing on camera. Look, that looks amazing, and it's also really good to play with, like this. Well, well, out of 5, I'm going to give this a 4.9. And if you like the video, subscribe. If you like the video, be sure to give this a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to help this channel reach 20 subs. We're so close. And anyway, see you in a million years. Goodbye.